Are you a new content creator and want to make video editing as simple as a drag and drop, but as professional as possible? Stay tuned and I will give you all the secrets to making this achievable. On the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro presets. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but go check out the site because there are presets that you can definitely use in your everyday Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. Okay, so I will be leaving a link for this pack in the description. So when you download this, it will be under B3 YouTube pack right here. There are 10 templates that you can interchange and fully customize to your own wording. So this is very, very useful for saving time and just cutting out a lot of editing hours, especially for new content creators that just want to drag and drop and make it look as professional as possible. Let's get right on into it. So we're gonna go with Title 4 right here to start off. I'm just gonna put this right here in our first clip. I'm gonna break it right here. Let's put this back right here. And as you can see, it just says your channel right here. And right here in the inspector panel, we have parameters that you can change to whatever you want it to be. You can change the colors. You can change the position of these. So I'm just gonna change it to Studios. We can decrease the size. Move the position. Okay, so we can play this back. And as you can see, the fonts are kind of a different size, so we can go ahead and change that to the same thing, 87. That looks a lot better. And we can just change the position of the channel too to make it look spaced out and neat. And let's go ahead and change some of these colors. Let's go that color right here. And like I said, guys, you guys can easily interchange these. You can make them any color you want. This is just me giving you guys an example. That is the first example right here. Now let's move on to the next one. I'm just gonna go with Title 2 for this next one. And these are so professional and easy to use. This is why a lot of people were asking for this pack. Like before, we're just gonna change the text to new here, question mark, subscribe. Very professional. And this is perfect for new content creators that don't want to spend a lot of time video editing, writing up text. It just saves a lot of time for you guys, and we need content coming out fast. So this animations pack really helps. You can use this for vlogs. You can use this for various types of content that you use for your YouTube channel. So we can just go over one last one. Let's put Title 10 for this one. This is real professional as well. Let's just put something random. Cook with Sarah. Say you ran a cooking channel. This can be a professional look for you right here. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please comment below. Feel free to engage with the channel. We'll talk to you guys soon. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye.